Ree Squad, how are you guys doing? I hope you're all doing okay. Okay, cool. We are on session. Hey Ree Squad, how are you guys doing? I hope you're all doing okay. In case you're new here, hi, my name is Miss Rombo and I'm so happy to have you here. If you haven't joined the Ree Squad, it's very simple. All you have to do is tap on that subscribe button, and while at it, don't forget to turn on the notification bell in order to be alarmed anytime I upload a video. Without further ado, let's get into today's video. Welcome to the Ree Squad. Welcome back, and so in today's video we'll be doing a haul. It's been a while since we did a haul on this channel, so I've done one before. In case you missed it or you haven't had a chance to check it out, I'll just leave a link right here. Just click on it, it will take you direct to it. Also, I'll leave it in the description box so that you can check it later. So last week I got the chance to go thrifting, and I got myself these 5 amazing dresses that I felt I should share with you guys. So I hope you love them as much as I did. So enjoy watching this video. I do hope you enjoy watching it. Actually, I will see you guys when we are outroing this video.
That's right, understand, baby, know about you. Whoa, strike a pose, it's a perfect picture, man. Nothing feels better than when I stay with you. Move, daddy, move. Nothing feels better than when I stay with you. Yeah.
You don't know how to communicate to them.
Tell me where you went. All the messages I sent with no reply. It's like that. You're just gonna walk into my room. I hate how you assume I'll take the pleasure and the pain, the sorrows in your brain, 'cause I know you're on the run. I'll take the pleasure and the pain, your secrets to my grave.
Sikupendi juu ya skin tone dada, nguo chapa iwe Gucci au Prada. Baby piga picha kuji nice, usijipime value using Insta likes na. Forget about the mirror, mimi ndo kioo. What I see in you is all you need to know. Hata macho zako zikikudanganya, makeup on, makeup off, bado weninganya. Ma, potato plus size, it's your body rock it how you like, no approval. Yeah, black or white, baby wear your skin with pride. Make that decision, head up high, high. Usichochwe, don't believe their lies. Nimekukacha till we close our eyes. If your beauty ever fades, I will love you the same. Urembo ni bonus. Urembo ni...
A wrap, guys. I had fun shooting this video. I hope you've enjoyed watching it. If there is any outfit that you resonate with or you love, let me know in the comment section. You never know, I might just gift you one. So guys, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up on this video. Like if you enjoyed. You can also dislike if you did not enjoy. Dislikes. Anyway guys, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, why not? It's free. Please do subscribe and turn on that notification bell in order to be alarmed anytime I have a video up. So guys, as I always say, be kind to people. It costs you nothing. Just spread that love and happiness and we'll make this world a better place. So guys, till next time, bye. I love you guys.